Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I am going to try out the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. Now, I got this from Hot Topic. They make this and a couple other themed eyeshadow palettes. I don't usually shop there, so I had no idea. I love eyeshadow and Stranger Things, so here's the inside. And it's got the mirror with the image upside down, which I thought was a nice touch. Take that plastic sheet off. Sorry if I'm blinding you with the reflection. Anyway, here's the different shades. I've already swatched them for myself once, so that's why they're kind of messy. All the names are upside down on that too. Super cute. It is vegan and cruelty free, which I love. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out on my hand. So the first color is called the Void, and it's sort of a really dark gunmetal. Oh, that actually has a lot of pigment. It's got a very, very light shimmer. HNL is the next one. It's a gray with a sort of actual pieces of glitter in it. So it looks like a gray matte with big pieces of glitter. And then Demigorgon is like a brown shimmer shade. Hawkins is a copper shimmer. Swatch those really super close. Let's see, the next one is Waffle, and that one is sort of an orange matte with these glitters. So it ends up looking kind of chunky because it's a matte with big pieces of glitter. And Palace Arcade is purple. Purple matte. Then Upside Down is a gray, it's like a gunmetal gray. And it looks like it's got a light shimmer. It's not an intense shimmer like Hawkins and Demogorgon. Castle Byers is next. This is a darker brown shimmer shade. And then 11 is this pink pastel. And then Babysitter is the last one, and it looks like it's a sort of beige pastel. That came out really light. So I think that is a transition shade. So as you can see, they're pretty dark. They feel okay. They're not too chalky. They're kind of smooth. The only ones I think are a little weird with the swatch are the ones with the glitter in them. The glitter makes them come out chunky. So I'm just going to try this and see if I can get a look out of this. So I'm going to go in with Babysitter as a transition. Now, I am not a professional makeup artist, but I do have to do my own makeup sometimes for film and video. Sometimes they ask that you show up on set camera ready, and that means makeup and hair ready. So it looks like Babysitter has a really light shimmer, which I didn't realize. I thought it was a matte. So it does have like a really super light shimmer to it. Let's see, I'm going to go, because I'm wearing purple, I'm going to go purple out here. So yeah, I'm not super comfortable doing my makeup for you guys, but I was asked if I would do this, and like I said, I sometimes have to do my makeup for professional reasons. So as far as blending, it's not bad, but it's not amazing. For a inexpensive shadow, I usually like BH Cosmetics formulas. Sorry, someone is messaging me with an urgency, so they will have to wait. Yeah, that's probably one of my favorite formulas is BH, and I have quite a few of their shadows. I always look for vegan and cruelty-free. They are cruelty-free, and most of their stuff's vegan, but they will put down when they're not, because they do use carmine sometimes. This particular palette, I looked it up, it is vegan and cruelty-free, so happy about that. Let's see. You know, I'm gonna try this H&L just because I'm curious about it. Oh, that is darker than I thought. That is darker than I thought. But it is pretty pigmented. However, when I put it on, I don't see any of that glitter. Like none. I see it in the pan. It looks like it's mostly on top, but I do see it in the pan. But yeah, when I put it on, I don't really see any. So I'm just kind of going with a clean brush and like fluffing everything out so it'll blend, because I really like that blended look. And actually, I like this look. I like these colors. I think it goes with what I'm wearing. I'm trying to think if I can use any more colors out of here because I want to just try to test them. So far the pigment's showing up and it's blending fairly well. So I'm pretty happy with this actually. I'm gonna try the Void. So get a little bit of a deeper color in here. Okay, that worked. And actually the pigment is pretty strong, so I don't want to get too much. And then I'm going to put Babysitter up in here too, because it is a brighter color with a little bit of shimmer, which I didn't realize. But I do like it up here. So as far as transition color, I did use Babysitter and I think it came out okay. But there isn't really a light matte except for 11, which is the pink, which now that I think about it, I could have used that one. But I like Babysitter up here. So I have very hooded eyes, so I do not like to do any dramatic, you know, like cut creases or harsh lines, because I think it doesn't look good on me. Also, a lot of times, so my eyes are very hooded, my eyelids. This part will come down over the lid, so if I do color on the lid, it'll transfer usually a little bit. So I try to like blend right in here. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Babysitter right here to get just a brightness in the inner corner. Okay, so I like that. I think everything blended out fairly well. I'm gonna just try to blend it a little bit more with the dry brush. And I just realized now I forgot to put primer down. So I have my primer here, but I just totally forgot. But I didn't use any primer, and it came out pretty well. Again, that is the Stranger Things palette. Show you the colors once again. And it's really cute. And it's very affordable. It says here it's $17, but I actually got it on sale. I think I got it for more like $12 or something like that. So it's an affordable palette. It's really cute. And I like it. I'm going to put on some eyeliner and mascara real quick. I just want to do a real simple eyeliner with this. I don't know, brown's the way to go. I might go over with black in a minute. No, that's okay. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this, and it worked better than I thought it would. I did not think that I would, honestly, I wasn't sure, but I didn't really think that I would like it as much. I thought that the shadows would be a little chalky, have a little more fallout. They didn't really have, I'll show you what it looks like close up. See, it has like the usual mess that you get after using it for, you know, a little bit, a couple times. But I did not get much fallout, and I got no fallout on my face, so I did not ruin any of my makeup, which I'm very happy about. I should tell you what I'm using. So I'm using this brown pencil from a Squat, and like, what color is it? Just says coloring pencil, but it's this sort of brownish with like a purpley undertone. I'm using this Smashbox X-rated mascara, and I got a little tiny bit under my eye, so I'm gonna take a fix to that, because I am actually going out tonight. I'm going out to the 48-Hour Film Project Award ceremony, and I was AD on a short film that we did called The Ring Bearer, and we won an award, so I'm going out to that. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this little bit right under there. But otherwise, this is my finished look. This Smashbox mascara, I don't usually use it when I go out because I like to have crazy baboom eyelashes that like go out to everywhere and curl up and everything. But the Smashbox is one that I will always use when I want to do a natural look, because it adds the color without making it look too intense, and it looks really natural, and so I will always use it for that. It's really good mascara for sort of a more natural look. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my video. And if you are interested in this palette, you can get it at Hot Topic and at the Hot Topic website as of right now, as of the filming of this video. And I'll put the link below. And yeah, so I am actually, like I said, show you this again. It's really cute. It is very, very, very cute. The packaging, the kids on the bikes in the forest. I mean, it's super cute, and it actually works, and I will end up using it again. My look is sort of simple, but it's what I was going for, and it actually looks better than I thought it would. So yeah, if you are interested, I'll let you know below how to get that, and thanks again for watching.